Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special dessert for Mother's Day. We're going to be making a beautiful cake out of agar agar, which is going to be a fruity agar agar cake. As you can see, the top layer is of strawberry and the middle layer is grapes, and the third white layer or the pink layer that you can see is again flavored milk. So let's get started how to make this wonderful cake. In a bowl, I've taken some water. I'm now going to soak my agar agar or China grass in it. In my cooking pot, I've taken half a liter of water, 500 ml water. To this, I'm now going to add 70 grams of sugar. You can add more or less as per your taste, how sweet you want your dessert. Okay, I'm going to add about 70 grams of sugar to my water. Once the sugar all melts, just a little bit more left. Turn your flame low and add your soaked China grass and slowly cook it until everything dissolves. Make sure everything gets dissolved. Everything dissolved like so. See? Dissolved. I'm going to be using one of these unsweetened drinks. Okay? I'm using strawberry flavor. Turn off the flame and keep stirring till everything dissolves. Now I'm going to put this halfway. And let this cool. Now in my pot I've taken around half a liter of milk, which I'm now going to start boiling. And to this again I'm going to add another 70 grams of sugar. Or as per your taste, you can add sugar. Okay. Mix it well. What I've done is added a little bit of the strawberry drink to the water where my China grass was soaking, and I'm going to cook this until all the China grass dissolves in the water. Stirring until all the China grass dissolves in the water. the other side is the milk cooking as well. So once the milk is nice and hot, I'm going to mix the China grass mixture to the milk. Right, the reason that I put a little bit of the cherry powder is because I wanted a light pink color to the milk. And I'll keep cooking it until all the China grass dissolves in the milk. As you can see now, the China grass has all dissolved so well inside the milk, and the milk is now light pink. As you can see now, my jelly is now set, the red one. To this, I'm now going to add some fruits. So I have some grapes with me. I'm just going to lay some grapes over it. This I'm going to add the milk China grass that I prepared. So here you go, my agar agar or China grass cake is ready. So delicious to eat, looks yum, and it looks so red and luscious. I'm sure this will be the greatest gift that you could give your mothers on Mother's Day. Make this for your mothers on Mother's Day and she will be the most happiest mother. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on the recipe. And most importantly, don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day. Have a nice day.